that's our flight for today's journey. Air India Express by Air India. So this is one more time I'm taking the Air India Express. But इसमें difference यही है कि now this time it's operated by Tata and also the aircraft is Air India. You can see still my old love is there for this red words Air India. Technically this used to fly with Air India, so that time it was a full service carrier. So let me capture a funny incident. Like kuch boar chai, iced tea, rose vanilla, something like that. This is 12 and then you can see 14. There is no 13 in the row. See this, it's my dad's flight. This flight goes to my dad. Come here. Piece of shit. Thank you.
गुलाबी साडी आणि लाली लाल लाल दिसते मी भारी राजा फोटो
Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to the channel everyone. That's Super Boss. We're back with a video. Today is 7th August 2025 and we are going to Chennai. And the reason I'm excited because we are going to Chennai but Port Player. So that's the first time I am going to Andaman. They have a small layover of 2 hours, but yeah, we're gonna enjoy the takeoff and landing. And yeah, again at early morning, Kolkata airport is empty. We are going today by Air India Express flight, but most probably they will use the Air India old aircrafts. So you can see that's the airport, Kolkata. See, early morning mein snow plane. Those all are like Air Asia, but now they are Air India Express. So we are in the bus right now. Now Air India एकदम पूरा ताम झाम के साथ अपना सर्विस बना के रखा है, right? Like Air India only getting the Aero Bridge and Air India Express only getting the bus, right? This is good actually, following the Indigo strategy. Also I saw the routes, they most operated now compete with Air India Express. And we probably go fly by the Air India flight. We'll show you now. That's our flight for today's journey. Air India Express by Air India. So this is one more time I'm taking the Air India Express. But इसमें difference यही है कि now this time it's operated by Tata and also the aircraft is Air India. Not like before. There are new Air India Express aircraft, but they operate this Air India flight. So you can see still my old love is there for this red words Air India. So we're inside the Air India Express. Technically you can see the old vibrant color of Air India. Flight पे चलते कश्मीर तक पहुंच गए. So that's our seat for today's journey. And we can see an Air India Express Boeing 737 is waiting. So here in the seat, you can see the seat pits are okay, but comparatively थोड़ा छोटा हो गया. And these are the new seat pattern where you can see a mobile holder and this water bottle rack. And here you can put something. There is the Air India Express government menu. I remember when I used to fly with the Air India Express or the Air Asia India, it was very amazing. They have a very good choice of menu. फिर छोटे छोटे toys भी sale होते थे. And here is a seat cover where I put my boarding pass.
The duration of this flight will be 2 hours and a wonderful set of Liverpool and Railway. We are putting in on time departure. I'll tell you. Kali, this is the beginning.
Yes, we eat. And there, Shivangan, see? There, see? So now we are middle of the sky. You can see 10,000 feet ka cloud. It's a 2 hours flight, so we will explore the service. Technically, this flight used to fly with Air India, so that time it was a full service carrier.
Not your face.
So we are middle of the sky and बाहर का सीन आप देखोगे तो पागल हो जाओगे. So here we are in the washroom of Air India Express. You can see. And आजकल ना सारे एयरलाइंस एक काम कर रहे हैं कि पीछे पहले 2 लैब एंड सामने 2 लैब्स होता था. दो को हटा के ना एकदम पीछे में लेबोरेटरी को शिफ्ट कर दिया. आप देख सकते हो मतलब कि एकदम टेल पोर्शन है एंड उसकी जगह पे they put seats to get more passengers. This is good. So this is something for you use on. They have hot and cold water both. One this soap refinery and this one. Hello. Oh, let me capture a funny incident. This is 12 and there you can see 14. There is no 13 in the row. So again I get the free emergency exit. पूरा रो खाली है. So आप देख सकते हो इधर लिखा है Gourmet Air. So मैंने 200 रुपये से एक स्पार्कलिंग आइस टी खरीदा and it looks yum. Bor chai, iced tea, rose vanilla, something like that. And it's 200. It's very delicious. And it's worth it. Matlab, it's really yummy. See this? It's my dad's flight. This flight goes to my dad. Come here. तो 2 आवर्स के सफ़र में एयर इंडिया एक्सप्रेस का सर्विस था बहुत ही अच्छा. क्रूज आर बिट टफ एंड स्ट्रिक्ट बट या अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट सर्विस को मिलता है 4 out of 5 बिट गुड. एयर इंडिया टेक्निकली न्यू एयर इंडिया टेक्निकली बेटर देन दिस. इफ यू सी द रिफ्लेक्शन, सी दिस एयरक्राफ्ट दैट इज फ्लोटिंग.
We are presently about 200 kilometers inbound Portland. We have just commenced descent for arrival. We are expecting arrival Portland next half an hour. This is of course subject.
Piece of shit. Thank you, monkey.
I'll send you my video. Forest.
But we cannot go here now.
No.
Here too much animal, right? What's there, baby?
Tiger, bear.
Huh?
Tiger, bear. No, we're landing.
हवाई अड्डा है और यहाँ तकरीबें जना मना एयर जितने भी एयरलाइन के साथ आगे की कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट लेने वाले यात्रियों से अनुरोध है कि वे हमारे आगमन सहायता
We have reached the Veer Savarkar International Airport, the Andaman Nicobar Island. First time in my life. The journey was so far so good. So, इस वीडियो का इधर ही खत्म. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video, and do it your live, do whatever you want. Till then, stay tuned with me, Badmash Regiment. Here we are at Veer Savarkar International Airport. No photo.